You guys, Hyundai Accent, the panel cluster is not working. The RPM, the temperature, and there's a light, ABS and engine light, but the car is running. I go now in the road, but you see the cluster is not working. Only the fuel gauge. I need to fix this. It's a Hyundai Accent. So I go back to the shop now to repair this problem. The car is running, but the cluster is not working. This is the Hyundai Accent, and it's fixed. Just to check the fuse. I check all the fuse. The fuse is good. Use this tester light. The fuse is good. And there's a fuse here. All this fuse is good, but the same not working the cluster. So guys, I found a problem here at the passenger seat. I removed this cover. So what I found, this socket is not installed. This is from a passenger seat. So just install this proper. And now just check the cluster. Let's start the car. So you see the cluster is not working. Only this over here, this socket, and I remove this. I remove that socket, and what happened? The cluster is not working, but the car or engine is running. So when I go back it, and that's good. So that's the problem. Only the socket of the I remove this cover. This cover remove this socket only. It's not installed proper. So that's it guys. Thank you.